How to fix PS4 Error CE-38706-4. If you're experiencing CE-38706-4 PS4 error. Note number 1. If you cannot connect to a service or application outside of PlayStation trademark network, check the status of that service. Note number 2. Check on PlayStation trademark network status. Please try again later. You can check the network status by selecting Settings Network View Status of PlayStation Trademark Network Services, or by using your PC or smartphone to access the PlayStation Network status page below. Now, try these steps. 1. Save your stuff, then restart your PS4. 2. It's turn to restart your router. 3. Contact your internet service provider to check the status of your internet connection. 4. Please do backup existing router configurations. Reset your router. Now, select Settings Network, reset up your PS4 internet connection, and then connect to your router again. Hint, for details. Refer to the instructions supplied with the router. 5. Update the router firmware to the latest version. For details, refer to the instructions supplied with the router. 6. Select Settings Network. Launch the test internet connection on your console and then recheck your internet connection status. 7. Ensure your network device's security measure, S, do not block the following port numbers, TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479. Hint, Google how to perform router port forwarding.